Hello, you guys. This is GR with Miami Corvette Part. I'm making a little short video here. Things comes up in my mind, and as question rises from customers. I just want to give a little advice to Corvette owners, especially those C5, C6 Corvette owners that have a transmission issue. And these Corvettes are very well known for the transmission, for the third gear and fourth gear to stop working altogether, especially the third gear. And I want you guys to save money. I want you guys not to be fooled or to be lied to. You may take your car to a shop, a transmission shop, and if they're a reliable shop and they're honest shop, they will tell you the truth. And the truth is, once your third gear is not working, or your third or fourth gear not working, it's not your solenoid. It's not time to change your oil and filter. They may tell you, hey, listen, maybe if we change the oil and the filter, your transmission will start working properly. Most likely that's what you need to do. If they're honest, they know that that is not the truth. The truth is, if your third gear goes and your automatic transmission, your transmission is shot. So don't waste time, because they're going to charge you for the oil change. They're going to charge you for the filter. They may even charge you to change a solenoid or two solenoids. And it's not going to help. The end result is going to be that the transmission is not fixable. And then you're going to waste money on oil. Even if you do it yourself, you're going to waste money on oil. You're going to waste money on the filter. And it's still not going to work. So the best thing you do is either have your transmission rebuilt or replace it with a used one. You can buy from me at Miami Corvette Parts, or you can buy from anybody else. Automatic transmission for a C5 specialist, they're not that expensive. They're around $500 used with with decent miles in it. So, obviously by the shipping, but they're not that expensive. So you'll be surprised. Now, if you got a C6, it's totally different. If you got a 2005, 2006, 2007, they're not that expensive. Now, when you get into 2008 and up, they're a little bit more expensive, but also not out of this world. So you can get a decent used transmission and put it in if you don't have the money to rebuild it. Because to rebuild the transmission, to be honest, it's around $1,600 to $2,000. Depends on the shop and who's doing it just for the rebuild. If you have the money to get it rebuilt and get warranty on it, perfect. Do it. If you don't and you want to go with a used one, and especially if you can do the job yourself, which is, I don't recommend it either, unless you got a lot of experience with Corvettes and transmissions, then you will save a lot of money. So please, 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 guys, I just want to let you guys know you will save money if you just don't listen. If your third gear goes on your automatic transmission, your third and fourth gear go, then don't waste time. Have your transmission rebuilt, have your transmission changed or put a used one in, but don't let any shop tell you otherwise, okay? Because you're going to be wasting money, labor, and oil for no reason whatsoever. So I hope this will clarify and help you guys. And please hit the like button, subscribe if you can, if you like, for more videos like this. Thank you guys. Till next time.